Well, basically what we do is we maintain the roads and the bridges. We do cleaning ditches, culverts. We have about 199 miles of road that we have to maintain.
For the most part, we try to do it ourselves because, of course, it saves a lot of tax dollars, us doing it with our own crew.
I enjoy running the blade, you know. It keeps your mind busy all the time, and it's a nice machine. I mean, it's got real good visibility. You can see almost directly under the blade with little effort to none, you know. I just like the feel of it, the independent controls up there, really. You can feel what you're doing with them better than you can the joysticks. I pretty much like it overall, you know. Seems to be a pretty good machine to operate.
They're good heavy-duty rollers. We're using them for compact roads. Better compaction, quicker compaction than what we had before, yes sir.
What I like about this stuff, what the operators like, is because it's got cabs. And we use this mainly in the summertime. They like that a lot. And I like the fact because they're wider, they pack a lot better, more efficient and more productive to just make the job go a little quicker.
Smoother ride, pack a whole lot better.
Kirby-Smith, they're friendly, they handle business. You call them, you need something, they get it to us if we need it.
We just looked around for the people that we wanted to do business with, so they have great equipment, great customer service. The salesmen are phenomenal. It's a good relationship.